Hello everyone, hope you're all doing amazing. Today we want to prepare this delicious and tasty Gheymeh Nesar, which is very easy. Let's enjoy making it together. First, we finely chop the meat as you can see in the picture and set it aside. About 80 to 100 grams per person is enough. I use veal leg meat, but you can also use lamb. Now we dice a large onion. Then grate 3 cloves of garlic. Pour sesame oil into the pot. Once it gets warm, add the onions and saute. When the onions become light and translucent, it's time to add the spices. After a minute, when the aroma of the spices is released, add the grated garlic and saute for another minute. Now add the meat and saute well with our mixture for about 10 minutes. The heat should be high throughout so that the meat doesn't release water and doesn't become tough. During this time, whenever you see that our mixture is drying up and sticking to the sides of the pot, add a few drops of boiling water so that the onions don't burn and get well sauteed. There is no need to add more oil. Now add a piece of cinnamon stick, add a tablespoon of tomato paste and saute until the raw smell of the paste is gone and its color becomes vibrant. Then pour boiling water and let it cook on low heat for about 2 hours until it's fully cooked. Now wash the rice several times with cold water and cook it with salt and sesame oil over high heat. When the rice water evaporates, let it steam over low heat for about 1 hour. After an hour and a half, add salt and some saffron. Wash barberries, pistachio slivers, and almond slivers and saute them with a little frying oil for a minute or two. Now add a bit of rice to it, pour saffron on top and mix. Our delicious Gheymeh Nesar is ready. Now put some white rice in the serving dish. Add our aromatic meat mixture on top. More white rice. And finally generously sprinkle the barberries and slivers mixture on top. I hope you enjoy watching. Please support us with likes and subscriptions. See you in the next episode. Bye.